guys, so I got this the other day from eBay. I thought it's pretty cool. It's a little compartment with more compartments in there. So, and it has the USB cable that you could just plug it in the back. You just glue it up with the 3M glue. So first thing I will do is just get a rag. Oops. Clean. Okay, just take all the dust, take them out, clean them up. Okay. Then all I have to do is just take the tape. There's one. Try to do it as close as possible before you put it in, and then just push it. Really simple. After that, just get the cable in the back and connect it in the back. Simple as that. Everybody knows how to connect a USB by now, right? So looks really good. I like it how it looks. It's pretty steady. It's not moving. You have the USB ports right here, and you connect the other cable through the back. We'll try it out. We'll see if it works. Alright guys, another thing I wanted to install was I ordered the screen protector. This is this one's a plastic, it's not a glass. So we'll just get it really clean, take all the dust that's in here. I've done this ones on my phone, so it's pretty much the same instructions. Just follow the instruction. Before you even glue it, just try fitting it, see if it fits. This one looks like it's really good. So far so good. A lot of people were complaining that it wasn't good, but it fits good on mine. So there's only one way. So this is the front, this is the back. So you're gonna peel the back, okay? So try and error, guys. Try and error. Just keep trying. If you didn't get it right, I messed up a couple times till I get it right. Then, but remember, don't take that plastic cover on top of it yet until you finish, because you don't want to scratch the other side of the screen. So try squeezing all the bubbles as you can, as perfect as you can. There you have it, guys. For the most part, looks good. Good job, guys. Looks good. That's gonna protect the screen from getting more scratch, because it was already getting scratched. So I mean, it's pretty good there. So some bubbles here, but it's okay, and a little bit over here in the corner, but for the most part looks really good. So cool part about it, guys, is that they give you two, so if you messed up on the first one, you could always have another one. I mean, so I'll put the description below, so if you guys want to buy one. I mean, look, and this is for the 2019 Honda Si. So it looks good. It's gonna protect the screen because it was getting scratched already, so that's good enough for me. It looks good to me. So you got two, right? So cool, like it. All right, guys, we did it again. Thanks.